Welcome for another episode of Manovak in conversation with Guruji Naushir. A lot of people claim to have met Mahatar Babaji in different forms at different times in different places. Is this how he meets people, or it is just their presumption that they have met Babaji?
Yeah, that's a very interesting point. You see, very, very rarely does he meet or show himself to people in his original form like this. So uh, he normally comes incognito, meaning in a different form. Now, that is one of the powers that he has, that he can change his form, he can use any body and appear in front of you, meet you, do whatever work he has to do. And I have had personal experience of this. Uh, of course, I met him in his original form in Badri in 2010. But after that, I've met him 3 or 4 times uh, in different forms, incognito. And it's a bit of a story behind it, in the sense that in 2012 or 13, I think, in 2013, uh, he said, I want you to come to Palani in Tamil Nadu, where there's a Murugan temple, and next to the Murugan temple is Boganthar Samadhi, Siddha Boganthar Samadhi. He said, on Guru Purnima, I want you to be there because I will be there, and we both have to take the blessings of my Guru. So uh, I went there, of course, as instructed, and I assumed that he would come in his original form. So throughout the day, I kept looking out for him, for somebody to look like this, and to spot him and be with him. But that didn't happen. So then in the night, he messaged me that I came, but you didn't recognize me. Then I realized that, oh, he would come incognito in some other form. So I said, but how am I supposed to know that it's you? So he said, you're trying to see me with your eyes, see me with your heart, and you will know. And then the next day, uh, I did recognize him in the form. He was like in a very different form. He was wearing a lungi and a shirt, and typically like how men in the south dress up. And he took me by the hand literally, and after the this thing at after we took blessings from his Guru Samadhi, he virtually took me by the hand and took me to Sekdai Siddha. There was a Siddha over there who was sitting. He sits on the gutter for last 20, 30 years. He's just not moved from that place on the roadside. And he said, this is a very powerful Siddha, and I want you to take his blessings. So virtually took me there and made me take his blessings. Then the next year, of course, had smartened up to the whole incognito meetings, and I immediately recognized him. And both of us stood at Bogantha Samadhi, and he in that year he came like a very tall person with long hair and slight beard, and a very huge person. He came in that form, and made me stand with him, take the blessings of Boganthar.
So,
So he does come in different forms to different people, but the problem is very rarely do people recognize him.
and how do you recognize? He has given you this hint that look from your heart. So, how do you recognize? Because each
It's
time he changes his form.
yes, yes, but there are certain indications. I mean, he drops certain hints to recognize him. It's not completely without that, but you have to look from your heart. You have to feel. You have to feel when he's there. That's all. I mean, that's the best way I can describe it. So when he says, "Look at me with your heart," you have to just see him and know it's him. And there are certain hints he gives. Not very obvious, but
So,
there are
what
hints.
about other references that people give that so and so person? he's Babaji or
Yes, I know there is a lot of confusion in this respect that a lot of other saints are referred to as Mahavatar Babaji. But you see, what happens is in the north, every great sadhu or saint is referred to as Babaji. I mean, you know, they are Babas, so they are with respect they are called Babaji. So if you go to the north, like when I went to Badri and I asked for Babaji, thinking that I would find him at the next corner, you know, people said, "Oh yes, Babaji is here, there. You know, see, look at this fellow, he's Babaji. Look at that fellow, he's Babaji." So everyone is referred to as Babaji. That is why there's a lot of confusion regarding who's really Mahavatar Babaji. But he really shows himself in his original form. Very rare to very selected few people.
yeah, may not be in original form, but assuming that he might take another form and want to like
He
approach
could,
people.
he could, if he finds it necessary or if he wants to.
Like you have mentioned that somebody in the north has continued with his lineage or his teachings. So
Yes, there are
something like that.
many. He works through many people. So yes, but they are not Babaji. They may be referred to as Babaji.
He hasn't confirmed.
He hasn't. No. He Mahavatar Babaji is one. There are no two.
Thank you so much for joining us for Manovak. See you in the next episode.